Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about example of expected value of the random variable and mean square value of the random variable. And this is the previous examination question. The example is if x is a continuous random variable whose probability density function is f of x is equal to x for x is equal if x is equal to 0 to 1, f of x is equal to 2 minus x if x is equal to 1 to 2, and f of x is equal to 0 elsewhere. So find out expectation of 25x square plus 30x minus 5. So now coming to the solution. So given that the probability density function is x for x is equal to 0 to 1 and f of x is equal to 2 minus x for x if x is equal to 1 to 2, f of x is equal to 0 otherwise. First find out the expected value of x and after that calculate expectation of x square and substitute expectation of x and expectation of x square values into this equation. Finally we get expectation of that term. So first calculate your e of x. So we know that expected value of the random variable is for continuous case integral minus infinity to infinity x into fx of x dx and expectation of x square is integral minus infinity to infinity x square fx of x dx. So first calculate e of x. So integral minus infinity to infinity x into fx of x dx. This is the equation of the mean value of the random variable or expected value of the random variable. So now we are applying the given density function. So integral 0 to 1 for 0 to 1 the density function is x into dx. For 0 to 1 the density function is x and for 1 to 2 the density function is 2 minus x. So which is equal to x into x square multiplying x within the bracket term and applying the integration to each term. We have integral 1 to 2 2x dx minus integral 1 to 2 x square dx. Integrating integral x square dx is x cube by 3 over 0 to 1. 2 is the constant. Integral x dx is x square by 2 over 1 to 2. Integral x square dx is x cube by 3 over 1 to 2. Now substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. And now here the substitute upper value of x and lower value of x 1 by 3 minus 0 1 by 3. So 2 into here substitute upper value of x and lower value of x 2 square is 4 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus here substitute upper value of x and lower value of x 2 cube is 8 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So reducing this RHS term finally we get the expected value of x is 1. Next find out expectation of x square, that is mean square value of the random variable. For continuous case, the mean square value of the random variable expression is integral minus infinity to infinity x square into fx of x dx. So given that density function is there, applying the given density function, for x is equal to 0 to 1, density function is x. For x is equal to 1 to 2, the density function is 2 minus x. Therefore, expectation of x square is integral 0 to 1 x square into x dx plus integral 1 to 2 x square into 2 minus x. So x square into x cube, integral 0 to 1 x cube dx. Here multiplying x square within the bracket term and at the same time applying the integration into each term, we have integral 1 to 2 2x square dx minus integral 1 to 2 x cube dx. So integral x cube dx is x power 4 by 4 over 0 to 1. Integral x square dx is x cube by 3 over 1 to 2. Integral x cube dx is x power 4 by 4 over 1 to 2. And after that, now here in this term, substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. We have 1 by 4. Here substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here substitute upper value of x and lower value of x. 2 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 1 by 4. And reducing this RHS term, expectation of x square is 1.16. So from the given data, find out expectation of 25x square plus 30x minus 5. So using properties of expectation, expectation of sum of random variables is equal to sum of their individual expectation. So using that property, so this term is equal to 25 into expectation of x square plus 30 into expectation of x minus 5. So now here expectation of x square value, expectation of x value already calculated, and substitute e of x and e of x square values into this equation. Finally we get expectation of 25x square plus 30x minus 5 is 66.66.